All right, ladies and gents, this is Will Zanders, and I know it has been a minute. I apologize, but we just finished up a 3-day prosperity challenge. We just finished up a 7-day fitness challenge when a few team members lost a combined total of over 180 pounds in 7 days. We just finished up a Women of the Bible Essential Oils class. We have been just super, super busy, and this month just passed, which is December, it's like December 14th to 15th right now. In the last 30 days, I have sponsored over 600 new personal members to my team personally. And right now I am hot and heavy teaching my team how to do the same thing, how to duplicate those results. I just wanted to drop a quick nugget for y'all. Listen, if you're in network marketing, again, I don't care what team, what company, whatever. Listen, you got to stay in the game. I'm telling you, this lifestyle, if you really get it down, not if, when you really get it down, when you understand belief plus skills plus action equals results, when you understand I need belief in a couple of areas, but if I get some skills, I'll have belief. And when I have that belief in myself, belief in the industry, belief in the product, I'm a 2-time Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu silver medalist. Okay. I still train every single day. I take our products every single day. I believe in them. I won championships almost 10 years ago. Okay. But I use products today. Why? Because I'm still training, working out every day. Don't get it twisted. But the point is, you got to believe in your products, believe in yourself, believe in the company, believe in the business model. If you have trouble believing in the business model, go to www.supremeteamvideos.com and learn more about the business model of network marketing, not necessarily a particular company, but learn more about the business model. When you have some skills and that belief, you are a million times more likely to take action. And when it comes down to taking action, literally write down what you're going to do and when you're going to do it, and write down things that you're in control. So if I write down on this pad of paper over here, hey, I'm gonna talk to 3 people a day about my business. Guess what? I'm talking to 3 people a day about my business, and I'm gonna write down between the hours of 4 and 6 on Tuesday, December, or whatever the date is, because the studies show when you write something down, a date, time, and place, that you're going to take a specific action that you can control. I didn't say I'm going to sign up 3 people between 4 and 6 because I can't control what people do. I can only control what I do and expose a certain number of people to the products and opportunity. Okay. So if I say I'm going to expose the business or products to 3 people on December 15th between the hours of 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern time, guess what? I'm going to do that. When you write it down, date, time, and place, you are 91% likely to take that action. I'll say it again. When you write something down, the action, the time, and even the place where you're going to do this action. I'm going to be in my house. I'm going to be in my car on the phone, or how I'm going to do this action. The more specific you are about stuff that you can do, you are 91% likely to take that action. And if you express that action publicly, you are even more likely. So somewhere between 92 and 99% likely to take the action if you write it down, date, time, and place. It's something that you can control, and then you express it publicly. Put it in a YouTube video, tell it to your team, put it in a Facebook post, text a couple of people, call a couple of people, be accountable. You are going to be between 92 and 99% likely to accomplish that activity at the date, time, and place like you insisted. So that's a pro tip from your boy. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Remember, you are only one person away from exploding your business, and most times that person is you. All right, so I'll catch you on the next one. Like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the other side. I'm out.